Natsume Soseki journals. Hi everyone, we're here at Tambobo Bay and we went to this cafe and we have gone here lots of times already and we've always had a great time. Today I went here with my love because he wanted to go fishing and since I didn't really know how to fish, so I just told him I'd go with him and bring my journals and my books and I'll just be reading or journaling here. I really love it here in Tambobo Bay because everything's just so peaceful. It's like I almost feel untethered from the world. And honestly, it's just like I really can't believe beauty like this exists. And that's what I'm going to show you. So we're planning to spend the whole morning here, and I brought along my books and my journals to keep me company. So I brought two books with me. This is Natsume Soseki's collected haiku. It's by Till Publishing, and it's the first ever collection of Natsume Soseki published in the English language. So you've seen this a lot on my bookstagram, and if you don't follow me yet, it's at chronicled. I'll also be linking my Instagram account below. So feel free to follow me for more book reviews and recommendations. So yeah, I brought a book of poetry and a book of essays just to keep me company during this time in nature. Now, let me show you my journals. So these are the current journals I'm using right now. This is my main journal, and it has 4 kinds of refills. Let me show you what's inside. Of course, I have these 3 with me. A marker to mark like the start of every chapter or every entry, and then 2 pens because it is like the contrast between light and dark whenever I write. So it depends. Maybe I'll use the lighter one for emphasis. So yeah, these 3 are what I usually bring with me to journal. This journal is from Paper Republic, and it's made from vegan leather. First section is for my content planning for Chronicled. And then next is this section is for my YouTube planning. This journal is for my thoughts, my ideas, and even my grievances. So I even wrote it down here, thoughts, musings, and even grievances. Then this last section is for whatever I'm curious about. It's basically a knowledge journal, and whatever I'm curious about, whatever I learn during my travels or wherever I stay, I just write it here. I also have cute charms here. This one is from my friend. She's an artist, and I love everything she makes. I literally buy everything she makes, yeah. So I had to put it here on my journal. This has a verse on it. It's Psalm chapter 90, verse 20. Teach me to number my days, that I may gain a heart of wisdom. And that's precisely why I put it on this journal, because I think that if I journal more, I guess, my hope is just to become wiser and wiser. I have this beach resin keychain. The keychain actually broke, so I just repurposed this part and put it on my journal. My full name is actually Dominique, and this is perfect because I just love the beach. And here are my stickers. I live in Dumaguete, and I really love Valencia. I go there all the time. So here's Chada Valencia, which means beautiful Valencia. And this is the iconic Dumaguete Boulevard, and just the Philippines in general. So yeah, that was the official tour of my journal. I actually have a discount code. It's here, and I'll also link it down below. Next journal here is my thought dump journal. I literally use this journal for my randomest thoughts so that I can just like let them go and never think about them again. Third is a journal I got from Pulse of Potential. It's a guided journal, and I'm really enjoying it so far. So there are chapters here, and then, yeah, there's a tracker before you start, and then there's a lot of prompts. So I'll just flip over to a random prompt and read it to you. This is a great spread. Number 16. What is the biggest challenge you had to overcome in your life so far, and how did you do it? A pretty loaded question if you ask me, but one I would love to answer someday. I mean, I can answer it now, but I don't know, I just don't feel like it. So That's what's nice about this journal is because you don't really need to fill them up in order. Just look at the prompts you feel like answering and then answer them as much as you can. Then, number 17 is how do you want to be remembered? Off the top of my head, I would love to be remembered for my passion about books, nature, and just the beauty of life in general. I would love to be remembered as a person who just loves to appreciate the beauty, all the beauty that life has to offer. This has been such a great guided journal so far, and I also have a discount code for this one. It's here, and I'll also link the discount link down below as well. Now you've seen my three journals, and now it's time for me to journal.